How to turn off Snapchat story notifications. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can turn off Snapchat story notifications, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off Snapchat story notifications, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Snapchat application that you can find here. After you launch the Snapchat app, you're going to be able to set this type of interface where you want to make sure to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, and then make sure to tap the gear icon located at the top right corner. Once you come to this page, over here you'll find an option known as notifications. Make sure to go to the notifications tab, and if you want to disable story notifications such as maybe someone uploaded a new story or something like that, here you'll find an option called stories from friends. So just make sure to turn this thing off, and you can also simply choose to actually turn off other notifications such as public story and save stories here, and then you should be able to turn them off, and now you will no longer receive notifications from stories of your friends. This way you'll be able to turn off Snapchat story notifications. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.